Okay, everybody, here we go. It is me, believe it or not, yeah. Gregory Mannarino. You're not going to believe this, but you will believe this, of course. So, it is April 28th, 2020, Tuesday. Stocks are poised for a pretty big open across the board. Stock futures are higher. The 10-year yield is moving up. Okay, no surprise to you. I've explained this to you. This is the scenario. Stocks are going to go higher as the Fed's balance sheet balloons as they buy it all. So you're on the right side of this market if you've been long. And my trade alerts, my buy recommendations have all been on the long end, and they continue to be. So we're all going to make money today if we're still in those positions. Anyway, let's move forward. What did we find out? We found out that the Federal Reserve is literally buying it all. They've now extended their purchases to cities and counties. So we're bailing out states, we're bailing out cities. They are bailing out counties. They're funneling cash all over the world. This is unprecedented. It's literally a takeover on an epic scale. But you don't hear too much about it. Not one syllable from the mouth of the President of the United States. His silence is freaking deafening on this. Unbelievable. So let's talk about a few other things. All right, so we know stocks are set to vault higher at the open here. We got cryptocurrencies getting bid higher. We got gold getting bid higher. Silver getting bid higher. And I told you the 10 years higher as well. The Fed's buying it all. All. The market has nowhere to go but higher. Okay, I'm not saying we're not going to get a little pullback, but higher. And more than likely, we're going to get new record highs at one point. Probably not too far off. That is the game. With the Federal Reserve now literally buying everything, they are going to own the world. This is their game. This is their end goal. This is why they were created. The Federal Reserve has had one goal since its inception. That is to be the lender and buyer of last resort, which makes them the owner of it all. And right now, in this scenario, this was all engineered. The virus, the cratering of crude oil, what it's doing now, all of it was to allow the Federal Reserve to step in here and buy everything. So we can nationalize corporations. Mom and pop stores are going to get wiped out. New world order, new America, new philosophy. That's it. Welcome to your world. So you can't make this stuff up, but this is more bizarre than a science fiction movie, but it's all true. All right, so pretty much that's where we are at. It's going to get much more dramatic moving forward. Again, the United States, the most indebted nation in the history of the world, is going to get much worse here. Trade deficits, fiscal deficits, all of it by design so the Fed can take it over. The Fed now owns the United States of America in every way it can possibly own it. They are the puppet masters. Those that run the Fed, the private institutions, now run the most powerful nation in the world with regard to its military might, although we are a slave nation to the Federal Reserve. The fact that a central bank now is in absolute control of, again, the world really should make you afraid. They dictate the rules. They're going to dictate your life. And sadly, you better get used to it. All right, this guy is out of here. I think this video has been very important. If you would agree, I would love to see a thumbs up. I would love to see you share this video. I would love to see you start talking about these things. Really, let's get the word out here. What's going on? This is a new America, a new world order. The Federal Reserve owns the world at this point. They own the world. I'm out of here. See you later. Love you a lot.